Hey, this is Jennifer and I'm here doing my review of the Maxi Power Juicer. Very easy to put together, and now I'm going to show you how to make some juice. And we're going to start with some orange juice. Okay. Stick in your fruit or vegetables, whatever you're going to juice. Then you just turn it on here, and then press it down. And I used about 4 oranges for this. And as you can see, it's got a juicer part, and then it's got the pulp, so your juice will come out of one side and the pulp spits out the other, which comes in handy because my husband does not like the pulp. That's about it. That's about 4 oranges worth of orange juice there. Then when you're done, you'll just turn it off. If there is a problem and something clogs up the juicer, you'll just turn, you've got 3 settings. You've got on, you've got off, and then you've got reverse. You just click the reverse, and that will unclog anything that might be clogged up in the juicer. So I am very happy with this. It works very well. As you can see, you can make all kinds of good juices and you don't lose anything from them. You get it all natural. So I hope you guys enjoyed it.